Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how did your garden grow? Well, in this case, very beautifully, because this is Hemerocallis Miss Mary Mary, a variety that gets her name from that nursery rhyme. It is, as you see, a really beautiful, very brightly vivid colored daylily, but she's called Miss Mary because she's also quite contrary. As you see now, she produces in early summer lots of these vivid, bright yellow flowers that are single. Later on, as she goes through the season and reblooms, the flowers turn into double flowers. So there's her contrary nature. One of the things about this variety is that she's extremely free flowering, producing lots and lots of buds that come up from inside the crown of the plant. And if you look at this one here, inside this one, you'll see that she's busy just now producing new flower stems that push up through to give a whole profusion of flowers. And in addition to the fact that she's busy producing lots of flower buds that then turn into these brightly colored flowers, she's also delightfully fragrant. So not only do you get a compact growing plant that only gets to about 18 inches or so high, that carries a lot of flowers, that reblooms well during the season, but also you get one that is very, very pleasantly fragrant as well. Bred in 1989 by Jack Robertson. Jack was a veterinarian that started out in the 1950s to take an interest in daylilies. He set out to breed and develop varieties that were hardy, that were compact growing, that were nearly continuous flowering varieties, and certainly with this lovely variety he managed to perfect one that hits all of those marks and more. Not a bit wonder then that it was chosen in 2005 as the All-American Daylily variety for that year. So if you're looking for a hardy, reliable, very free flowering variety that will grow in sunny, well-drained positions and put on a terrific show that changes during the year with different types of flowers and is pleasantly fragrant, then the variety that you need to look for is Hemerocallis Miss Mary Mary.